At first, we will see about basic HTML structure. Let's open our VS Code and create an index.html file. Now, press Shift+1 for exclamatory sign and press enter. You can able to see a whole structure which we call basic HTML structure. This is the main structure in which we write all our codes. As you can see, the tags like doc type, HTML tag, which is the root tag, which means all the code goes between its opening and closing tag. Then comes the head tag, where all the links tags and meta tags goes. These two tags are most important, about which I'm gonna tell you a little bit later. Then comes the body tag, where all the main code means the programs that we will write for our page structure goes. Now let's talk about the title tag that we write on our head part. Title tag is used to give a distinct title to our HTML page. Let's see if we write on the title section as for example image gallery and save it. Now using the live server, you can able to see the title of the page on the tab. Script tag is used to embed a client-side script as JavaScript on our HTML. It is used mainly on the body part. To use it, just write script, then press enter. Then inside it, we have to use the source attribute through which we can give our .js file location. Link tags are very important. It is mainly mentioned on the head part. It defines the relationship between the current document and the external resource. The link tag is mostly often used to link external style sheets to our HTML documents. For example, if you jump to Google and go to Google Fonts website, let's select the font style. Now here you can see the link of the font. Now let's copy it and paste it on your HTML. Now let's copy the CSS rules and use it as the style of the heading. Now you can able to see the font style of the heading on the window document changes to your desired ones. The link element is an empty element as it does not have any clause tag and supports only attributes as relationship and href. Now comes about meta tag. The meta tag defines metadata about the HTML document. The meta tag always goes inside the head element. Meta tags are typically used to specify character set, page description, keywords, viewport settings, and more. For example, if you were creating a website for a web tutorial, then the meta tags we can describe it as type meta tag. Then you can use the name attribute where you have to give the description or a name of your web page. Then on the content attribute, you have to write the content. That means the free web tutorial as I have wrote. Meta tags are mainly used by the browsers for keywords and for SEO, search engine optimization, and other web services. At last, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.